AP statistics.
Harry, what you got?
Stats on stats on stats.
He got
Stats on stats on stats.
We got
Stats on stats on stats.
Lego.
Hey. We got stats on stats on stats.
She got
Stats on stats on stats.
We got
Stats on stats on stats.
I got kids, friends, balls, and stands. When I draw them, they look like gems. Describing center, shape, and spread. Does that look symmetric? Looking for a center, get a me. Who got a 5? That's Shaney T. 1.5 under Akiwa. Receive points, I2 There are variables lurking. Use blocking. And now I'm almost done. What you learn from this verse is that you need good grasp, full good grades, and basically be a nerd.
I got null hypothesis, a statistical test. I didn't take stats on me and Tom said F the test.
Harry. What you got?
Stats on stats on stats.
He got
Stats on stats on stats.
We got
Stats on stats on stats.
Lego.
Hey.
Stats on, stats off, significant test, my pen caps off. Looking at the question, allergic to easiness, finna cough. This should be my profession, I'm about to blast off. No hypothesis first, alternative to counter that. Got stats on stats on stats, tests on tests on tests. No verse, alternative, use tests to see which is best. Way back in 2009, my math career was a rap. Now that I met Miss Schwimmer, I told you it's still a rap. You claim that it's random, one condition check. We can't even talk unless you got the check. Now it depends, normally got you all bent. Keep my shades on deck. Clark can't. Hold it down.
Billy if it's fat, fat if it is Billy. I be doing stats till I get silly. Learn the hardest unit off YouTube. Yeah, this was a hard knock. Yeah, I draw a lot of nuts, so much my heart'll stop. Every night's a weekend, every day's a Friday night. You ain't seen nothing yet, cause you ain't got no sight. 2012 stats class, yeah, I'm talking about that. All I sold is Hondos, where the hell my 20s at?
This is a video?
No.
You really?
Oh.
You really?
Something with me.
It's a beautiful thing. You gotta video that.
Got stats on stats on stats. Chapter 12 is where I'm at. Hypotheses are stated, conditions got them checked. Go off and stats got good grades. Up to the test, D-Wade. One sample T, that's my pick. Capture that interval real quick. Quick click in my TI. Why is that p-value so high? Right to conclusion, sure thing. Fail to reject, Yao Ming. Got the one on me like a stat jersey. Always gotta keep n greater than 30. Type 1 error, watch out. Confidence intervals, no doubt. Constant intervals using Z. Memorize the formula, that's the key. BP, that's my crib. I'm the BEST. YOLO!
Got samples inside our hats. Stats on stats on stats. I'm Ryan Dollop. Got tats on tats on tats. Census of the nation, the whole population. Got a random sample, must be at least 30. Got no variable, there ain't nothing biased. My study all night, that's when I'm at my highest. 300 digits table has got me able. Yeah, Melissa Schwimmer, my grade stable. Got stats on stats. Racks on racks on racks. And when I'm at the class, sounds like facts on facts on facts.
Chapter 6 I'm gonna sing. Simulation I'm trialing. Binomials fit simple random digits, geometric when I know the count. Simulation to add mythology, just joins the event's probability. Don't mess with the outcome, you'll hear from my boy Tom. Check Chris's homework, it hasn't been done.